This is fairytale eggplant, and the woman at the farm stand said she likes to cut them in half so you can keep this cute little size for when you cook them and eat them. And we'll be using this giant French type of shallot. So let's see what we can make. Got our fairytale eggplant here. She's gorgeous. They're so cute. They're so cute. But let's see how they taste. We did everything from the farm: the basil, the garlic, the tomatoes, the giant French shallots. They cooked really fast. I was surprised. Look at how tiny that is. It's adorable. I feel like these are creamier. They have a very delicate flavor. I really like them. I don't know how.